Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. You can see right now the two lamps in the background. I'm reviewing the Yeelight Wi-Fi smart bulbs. You can take a look at the bulbs, see what it looks like in the package as well as out of the package. It's a very nicely designed bulb. It looks really cool, really great. Would work in a lamp, would also work great as a downlight because it has a really nice style to it. Really a nice looking, unique and nice looking shape. It also works great. It's easy to set up. It's really easy to get the light set up and going, and then you can connect it in Alexa or Google Home or any of those things. And with Alexa and Echo, you just go in and add the Yeelight skill, sign into your account, and then you are good to go. And I've got both of these lights in my Alexa app, and then I have them grouped together under bedroom lamps. So now I can control them individually or as a group. Which is pretty awesome. So you're going to see here now when I dim these, my camera is going to adjust for the dimness, so you'll kind of see them dim and then they may appear to get brighter. That's just unfortunately the way it works with my camera on auto brightness, but you'll be able to see when I differentiate them. So Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to 5%. And you can see it dim them both to 5%, but I can lift one up. So Alexa, set Eric's lamp to 100%. And you see the one on the left is way brighter now. It's at 100%. Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to 50%. Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to cool white. They were at warm white. Now they're at cool white. Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to blue. Alexa, set Eric's lamp to red. So you see you can name each bulb, or each bulb will have its own name and you can control it individually. And then you can group them. You can group 2 in one group, 3 in another group, 5 in another group. You can have crossovers within those groups inside of an Alexa app, and it works great. To be able to control them independently, you can control the brightness, you can control the color, and you can control warm white or cool white. So a lot of really cool things you can do with these, and lights in your living room, in your bedroom, anywhere you want to use them, they work great. Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to warm white. Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to 100%. And you can go all the way down. Alexa, set the bedroom lamps to 5%. So if you just want a dim light at night, you could have really dim light at night before you're going to bed. Or in your living room, if you're watching a movie, you wanted a little bit of light, you could dim them down. So fully controllable. You can see they work great. Also, you can hook them up to Google Home or SmartThings. And several IFTTT, several different things once you've got it all set up in the app. So really excellent product by Yeelight. Works the way you'd want any Wi-Fi bulb to work. The bulb itself looks really nice as well when it's not on. If you have it, you're using it in a way where the bulb actually shows, it looks good, which is just a bonus with a bulb that is shaped like that. So really excellent product by Yeelight. Definitely a product that I would recommend. I will have a link in the description below. You can click that link to the product on Amazon, jump over to Amazon, see what other people have said about it, pick some up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that like button if you like this review, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, all that great stuff. If you have any questions, something that I didn't cover in this video, then post it in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.